What's up, man?
Nothing. Holy crap! It's not my day, man. Please work. You know what? I just need a cough drop. This is driving me nuts. The zebra or mints? Mints. Definitely mints. Yep. Alright, let's try this again. Ow! Oh my god. Jeez. Get straight out. Brush. All the way. Brush. Ow. Not my day. Ow. Ow. Oh man, that hurt. What time is it? Crap, I'm gonna be late. Whatever. Oh, stop it, dog. Not on night, man. I can't believe this.
Hey man, you should have had a zebra.
My name's Hannah, and I made the stupid decision of not choosing the zebra. You better make the right one, or I'll come after you.